Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to share Wi-Fi password on iPhone. Hassle-free connection. Can you share your Wi-Fi password from iPhone to iPhone? Yes. First, you need to ensure you have an updated version of iOS running on both iPhones. Apple released the Wi-Fi password sharing features in iOS 11. So make sure you're on that or a later version. You'll also need to turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for both devices. Turn off your personal hotspot if you have it on. You must also be connected to the network you are trying to share. On the receiving device, take the following steps on this video. First, open the Settings app, then select Wi-Fi. Now, select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect. Then, it's time for the host device to share access. On that iPhone, follow this video. You should see an alert pop up asking if you want to share your Wi-Fi. Select the Send Password button. Your phone will share access to the Wi-Fi network with the requesting phone. After the password was successfully shared, you should be able to tap Done. Sharing your Wi-Fi password with Apple's iOS should be easy. But if you're having trouble with any of these steps, try the following troubleshooting tips recommended by Apple support. If you don't see the setup animation, restart both devices and try again. If you still can't share your Wi-Fi password, have the other person enter the password manually. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.